Lesson: Frameworks for Risk Assessment in Blockchain Systems. Risk assessment in blockchain systems is an essential component for ensuring robust governance and compliance. As blockchain technology increasingly integrates into various sectors, understanding how to evaluate and manage the associated risks becomes crucial. This lesson outlines actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks for professionals to implement effective risk assessment strategies in blockchain systems. A primary framework utilized in risk assessment is the NIST Risk Management Framework, which provides a structured approach to identifying, assessing, and managing risks in information systems, including blockchain. The RMF consists of 6 steps: categorization, selection, implementation, assessment, authorization, and monitoring. Applying this framework, professionals can categorize blockchain assets, select appropriate security controls, and continuously monitor for emerging threats. For example, in a decentralized finance platform, categorizing assets such as smart contracts and user data helps determine the potential impact of vulnerabilities. Selecting controls, such as cryptographic algorithms and access management protocols, enhances security. Another vital tool is the FAIR framework, which quantifies risk by analyzing loss events and their probabilities. FAIR helps organizations understand the financial impact of blockchain-related risks by considering factors like threat event frequency and vulnerability. For instance, a blockchain-based supply chain company can use FAIR to estimate potential losses from data breaches, thereby prioritizing risk mitigation strategies effectively. By quantifying risks, the FAIR framework supports informed decision-making and resource allocation. The Octave method is also instrumental in blockchain risk assessments. Octave helps identify critical assets, evaluate vulnerabilities, and develop security strategies. In a practical application, a blockchain startup can conduct an Octave analysis to identify key assets like transaction data, assess vulnerabilities in the consensus algorithm, and implement controls like multi-signature authentication. This method emphasizes organizational context, making it adaptable to diverse blockchain environments. In addition to these frameworks, real-world case studies illustrate the effectiveness of structured risk assessment. The 2016 DAO hack, which resulted in a loss of approximately $60 million, underscores the importance of thorough risk evaluation and testing of smart contracts. Implementing a rigorous risk assessment framework could have identified vulnerabilities in the DAO code, preventing exploitation. This case highlights the necessity of combining technical audits with strategic risk management to safeguard blockchain systems. Practical tools like blockchain security platforms further enhance risk assessment capabilities. For example, tools such as MythX and QuantStamp provide automated analysis of smart contracts, identifying potential vulnerabilities and compliance issues. By integrating these tools into the development process, blockchain developers can detect security flaws early, reducing the likelihood of costly exploits. These platforms exemplify how technology-driven solutions support proactive risk management. Another crucial aspect of risk assessment in blockchain systems is regulatory compliance. Frameworks like the COBIT framework aid in aligning blockchain governance with regulatory standards. COBIT provides guidelines for managing and controlling enterprise IT, ensuring blockchain implementations meet compliance requirements. For instance, a financial institution using blockchain for cross-border payments can leverage COBIT to align its processes with anti-money laundering regulations, reducing legal risks. Wame? Statistics further underscore the need for comprehensive risk assessment in blockchain systems. A 2020 report by CipherTrace revealed that fraud and misappropriation in the cryptocurrency sector amounted to $1.9 billion, emphasizing the financial impact of inadequate risk management. This statistic highlights the critical role of robust frameworks and tools in safeguarding blockchain assets against financial losses. By employing structured risk assessment methods, organizations can mitigate the likelihood and impact of such incidents. Moreover, the dynamic nature of blockchain technology necessitates continuous monitoring and adaptation of risk assessment strategies. Emerging threats, such as quantum computing and advances in cryptography, require blockchain systems to evolve and strengthen their defenses. Professionals must stay informed about technological developments and regulatory changes to maintain effective risk management practices. Engaging in ongoing education and collaborating with industry peers enhances proficiency in addressing evolving challenges. In conclusion, frameworks for risk assessment in blockchain systems are indispensable for ensuring governance and compliance. By leveraging structured methodologies like the NIST RMF, FAIR, and Octave, professionals can systematically identify, assess, and mitigate risks. Real-world examples, such as the DAO hack, demonstrate the importance of thorough risk evaluation, while automated tools and compliance frameworks provide actionable solutions. As blockchain technology continues to advance, maintaining a proactive and adaptive approach to risk assessment will be essential for safeguarding assets and ensuring sustainable growth. Engaging with these frameworks and tools empowers blockchain professionals to address real-world challenges effectively and enhance their expertise in risk management.